everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a Asos unboxing to share with you, and this is the June box. I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but as always, if you've seen it all before and you just want to get to me unboxing this box, I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So Asos started doing these monthly beauty boxes around 18 months ago, might be a little bit more now. Now they're not a subscription, that's all you need to do is to sign up to the Asos website, have an account with them, and when they release the boxes, which is usually the first of the month, it could be in the morning or in the evening, and they tend to sell out super fast, which I'll go into in a minute. But as soon as they're released, then you get to see the items of the box, and if you want it you can get it, but if not you don't have to, so no commitments, and you get to see the products, which is good. The cost of the box is £12, but they do bring out some boxes that are collaboration boxes with different brands, and they are usually between £15 to I think £18 is the most expensive box that we've had. Month to month they're around £12. Now there's free shipping if you spend I believe over £25 on their website, or you can do what I do and pay £9.95 for the whole year, and that entitles me to free next day delivery on anything on the Asos website. So because I get these boxes and a few other things off Asos, it's a good saving for me, and it means that I get these boxes pretty quick as well, depending obviously what's in them. If it's a really good month with great products, then yeah, they could be sold out within a day. So if you're really interested in these boxes, definitely set up an account ready, and from the first of the month onwards keep on looking on their website. I just type in beauty box and then it'll come up then, and I do that roughly about every half hour all throughout the first of the month until I can spot it. As soon as I spot it, or as soon as one of you lovely lot message me to say Claire, Asos is out, then I'll put a direct link up on my Instagram page and my Facebook page as well, and I've started doing it on my community tab on my YouTube channel, because sometimes by the time I get around to unboxing these boxes they're sold out, so a lot of you are watching them and getting frustrated because you can't buy them. So I've started putting them everywhere, so if you want the boxes before I do an unboxing, then you know the links are there. My Facebook and my Instagram is the same, Diaryofabeautygeek. All links and everything are down in my description anyway, so if you're not already following me, you're welcome to follow me there. Yeah, so inside the box then you get around 5 beauty treats a month, and all the items that you see in the box you can buy on the Asos website. They do tend to contain a mix of say samples, mini, travel sizes and full-size items. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I miss anything out I'll pop it down in the description, but let's get on to showing you what I got inside. I'll just give you a quick sneak peek first. Ooh, I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see there. Summer glow ups have never been easier thanks to our newest face and body box. It's got 5 products designed to keep your skin hydrated, protected and glowing all summer long. First up we've got Frank Body's A Beauty Scrub, packed with Aussie caviar lime and vitamin C rich Kakadu plum to naturally brighten the skin's complexion. And this is what it looks like. Gorgeous packaging, isn't it? Really lovely. I've tried this before, I've tried the brand before anyway, so I'm assuming they do lots of different types of scrubs. So this is a brightening exfoliator with native Australian ingredients and 100 grams in the pouch here. Now what I like about it is that when you rip off the top you've got a seal there as well, so you can continue to use this, which is great. Get naked and get wet in the shower. Massage scrub over your entire body, leave for 3 minutes then rinse. Use me 2 to 3 times per week for best results. So it says it's cruelty free and vegan. Can you see in there? Can you see in there? I'm not sure if it'll focus. It smells a mix of coffee and curry. So I like that. I do really like that. So we got a body scrub. Next we got a highlighter, liquid highlighter, and this is by Revolution. And this is in Liquid Luster Gold. I'll just take the out of this packaging off. Yeah, I've got a few of these. I received them in, what did I have? Oh, one of those day magazines. Superdrug bring out a seasonal magazine that you can buy in like supermarkets and newsagents. They had a few of these in different magazines, and I've got a few of them and I've given a few away. Now, I won't be using this, so I'll be passing this on, but that's what it looks like there. It's really pretty. It is really pretty. So you could mix that with the foundation, or you can apply it so on your hand like this, and then after you've done your foundation with a beauty blending sponge, just apply a tiny bit and dab it, and then like dab it on with a beauty blending sponge or with your fingers or something. It is really pretty. It is really pretty. It's just that I've got quite a few of them. and yeah, I don't use them all that often. I tend to wear powders for my highlight. So yeah, so we got a Revolution gold highlighter. Next we've got something which looks absolutely gorgeous, and this is a soothing gel. It's 99% aloe. It's a soothing gel by Holika Holika. Look at that packaging, isn't that gorgeous? That is so lovely. No, I think this is like a travel size. So Holika Holika is a Korean skincare brand. Perfect for applying onto your skin like after coming out with the sun, if you've been down the beach. Not that we're down the beach much these days. Well, not in Wales anyway. But yeah, or if you're going away, or you can imagine popping that in the freezer or popping that in a fridge. I've got a little cute little skincare fridge. Popping that in there and just massaging it all over my body if I've been outside with the sun. Oh, it smells. Oh, I just love it. It's such a nice smell. It says, a soothing gel calms down redness and sensitive face and body. Apply to dry and sensitive skin or splitting hairs as often as needed. Apply to dry and sensitive skin or splitting hairs as often as needed. I'm assuming if you've got split ends, it might be a nice gel just to I don't know, put your ends together? I don't know. Splitting hairs as often as needed. Does it say anything more about it here? Enriched with natural aloe, the gel leaves the skin feeling soothed and refreshed. Plus it's backed up with anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. I love that. I can't wait to give that a go. Now the next two items seem to be in lots of boxes recently. They're in lots and lots of boxes. I don't know how many of these I've got now. It's Tropez Fake Tan and a mitt as well. There's nothing wrong with them, nothing wrong with them at all, but I have got a lot and I don't really need any more, especially the mitts. Fake Tan I do use, but the mitts I do use as well, but I really don't need 6 or 7 of them. So if you're new to tanning, these mitts are your saviour. They're brilliant, really good. It just helps with the blending process, making sure that it's all evenly applied. And yeah, which one is this? Is this? Yeah, I've had this one before. This is the 1 Hour Hydrating Tan Bronzing Gel, and this is the Tropez Self Tan Express, and there's 35 mils here. It gives you a summer ready glow in just 2 hours with its quick drying, non-sticky formula. But yeah, so okay with a tan, but the mitts, no, I don't need any more mitts. But then if you're getting this box for the first time and you've never had any tanning products before and you do love a fake tan, then you're gonna love it. It's just me being like, another mitt, another mitt. So yeah, so we got that. And then having saved the best to last, this was the decider. Although I get these boxes every month. I get them for you, but also I get them for me. Now this is the first thing I saw when I saw this box was released, and I bought the box even before I saw anything else in the box. This is 15 ml sort of travel size, but it's the new, I think it's new because I haven't seen it before. Well, in the last, say, couple of weeks, because I have got the big version in a basket on the Look Fantastic website ready to buy, but obviously I've got this size now, so I'm able to see what it's like. Save me wasting like £27 or whatever for the 30 ml. But anyway, I haven't told you what it is. It's a Clinique moisturizer, and this is a super defense moisturizer, but it's got SPF 40 in it. Now you can buy this off the Asos website for £14. You can buy a few Clinique minis, which is fab. You've got their cleansing balms and everything, which is brilliant. If any of you have tried this, please let me know what it's like. I absolutely love the Moisture Surge one. Oh, it's been a firm favourite for a long time. I am using Illuminate moisturiser at the moment as well. I love the consistency and the feel, the lightweight, the absorption of the Clinique one. So I thought if this is the same and it's got SPF 40 in it, oh, this is going to be my all-time summer favourite moisturiser. Well, I hope anyway. I might absolutely hate it. But yeah, but I am a little bit dubious of... Ooh, chuck it on the floor. I am a little dubious about SPFs in like moisturisers and primers and things. I tend to just use moisturisers on its own, because normally my skincare is like moisturiser last and then the SPF on top and then maybe a primer or whatever before my foundation. But yeah, I'm just blabbing now. I'm just going on and on and on. I'm just really excited. I'm just really excited. So let's try a little bit on my hand. Not too much because there's only 15 mils here, and if I love it, I don't want to waste it. Ooh, it feels similar to the Moisture Surge. It does. Now my hands are extremely dry here, really, really dry, because I'm constantly washing my hands. But yeah, oh, that is lovely. That is really nice. Oh, I can't wait to see what it's like on my skin. No particular smell. So we got a Clinique moisturizer. So those are all the items, so I'll just gather them all up. So there's 6 items in all, but these two come as a duo. We got a Tropez self tan and a mitt. We've got a Frank body scrub. We've got a Clinique moisturizer. We've got a Holika Holika aloe gel, soothing gel, and we got a Revolution liquid highlighter. I think it's an okay box. I am going to give this away because I've had a few of them and I've probably got one still lying around. I might give this away as well because, again, although I love collecting like cleansing cloths and things like that, there's only so many mitts you can use, isn't it? And it's not like I'm fake tanning all the time, so I'm going to give that away as well. And I'm going to keep these though. This is handy for this, exfoliating before a tan, and yeah, this is just a nice little size. And yeah, this aloe gel, oh, it just looks cool, doesn't it? It just looks really cool, let alone feels and smells gorgeous as well. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you ordered it this month, or have you seen it and you thought, nah, it's not a box for me this month? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.